How to set viewing restrictions on Prime Video. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to set viewing restrictions on Prime Video. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, of course, you need to open up the Prime Video app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on the My Stuff button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner to take you to settings. After that, tap on where it says parental controls. On the next menu, tap on viewing restrictions. On the next screen, enter in your password. Tap sign in. Here, you're able to adjust the viewing restrictions to whichever level you want. So if this account is only for children and you wanted to set it to G, just tap on G. And as you can see there, everything above that will be locked and not able to be viewed. So you can just tap on whichever one you think is the most appropriate for the person who's using the device. And then, as you can see at the bottom, it says apply viewing restrictions to, and then you get to choose which devices that you would like to apply these viewing restrictions to. So you can tap on all supported devices, and then that will restrict viewing on all devices, or you can select particular devices that you want to restrict. And that's what it takes to change the viewing restrictions on Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.